Hello, Lila. We're gonna test if you know which animals make which sound. Okay, which of these two animals goes bzzz? Is it the pig or the bee? Bzzz. It's the bee. Bees go buzz, buzz, buzz. Bees go buzz. Bees go buzz, 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 buzz. Okay, which of these animals goes ooh ee ah ah? Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ting ting walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ting ting. Which of these goes ooh ee ah? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah. It's the monkey. Monkeys go ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Okay, which of these animals goes oink, oink, oink? Is it the pig or the frog? Which goes oink, oink, oink? It's the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Which of these animals goes meow? Meow, meow, meow. Which goes meow? It's the cat. Meow, 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. All right. Poopa is getting in the video. Which of these animals goes tweet tweet tweet? Which goes tweet tweet tweet? The bird. Tweet 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 tweet. The bird goes tweet. Which of these animals goes ruff 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 ruff? Which one barks? Ruff 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 ruff. Which one? It's the puppy or the dog. You can call it either one. Ruff 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 ruff. I am a puppy, I like to bark. Ruff, 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 ruff. And then I guess this is the last one. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit. I hope you had fun. Bye, Lila.